Here's how you can buy crypto directly in your Argent L2 account. To start, tap Receive and then tap Buy Crypto. This will open up Ramp's interface. To learn more about Ramp and how it works, read our blog post in the description below. Then select the crypto you want to buy. You can currently choose ETH, Wrap Bitcoin, USDC or DAI, and then select how much you want to purchase. Once you've done that, tap Proceed. You'll now see your email address linked to your Argent account, and this is where your receipt will get sent. You can always change this to another email address. From there, tap Proceed. You'll now see your wallet address, which is automatically inputted, as this is where your crypto will get sent. So again, tap Proceed. You'll now have to choose your payment method. This will vary based on the region or country you're in. In this example, I'll be paying with card. You'll now see an order summary of your transaction, and when you're happy, tap Buy Now. Authorize your payment method, then Confirm and Pay. Ramp will then confirm that your payment has gone through and your chosen crypto will arrive in minutes. And like that, you've just bought crypto directly in your Argent L2 account.